अभी हम पॉडकास्ट शूट करने वाले हैं न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट अमित शाह जी के साथ, और जब हम डिस्कशन कर रहे थे तो कुछ 2-3 बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक निकले। तो हमने डिसाइड किया कि पॉडकास्ट के पहले एक छोटा वीडियो बनाया जाए जो बहुत यूज़फुल हो सकता है आपके लिए। 3 ऐसी बीमारियां कह लीजिए या इश्यूज जो आज की जनरेशन बहुत ज़्यादा फेस कर रही है। महिलाओं में PCOS PCOD का है, और लड़कों में मेल इनफर्टिलिटी की शिकायत बहुत ज़्यादा आ रही है, एंड मेंटल हेल्थ को लेके। तो सर हम एक एक टॉपिक पे बात करते हैं, एक फास्ट रिव्यू कि PCOS PCOD एंड मेल इनफर्टिलिटी सबसे मेजर कारण क्या है और कैसे हम इस चीज़ से बाहर आ सकते हैं।
आप चाहे PCOS की बात कीजिए, PCOD की बात कीजिए या मेल इनफर्टिलिटी की बात कीजिए, तीनों का कॉमन एक जो हेडर मैं बोलूँगा इज़ हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस। और ये इतना बढ़ चुका है आज की तारीख में, लाइक यू राइटली सेड, एंड द ओनली वे टू कॉम्बैट हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस इज टू वर्क ऑन योर ओवरऑल लाइफस्टाइल, improving sleep patterns, improving meal balances, and including physical activity is the simplest way to overcome any of these.
Okay.
जो अल्ट्रा प्रोसेस फूड्स जा रहे हैं बॉडी में, जिसमें इतने सारे केमिकल्स है which the body is not able to recognize and is not able to process, is harming the entire hormonal balance. Lack of activity, जो आज ये बिल्कुल सारे काउच पोटैटो का ग्लैमराइजेशन हो चुका है, वो चेंज करना होगा। फिजिकल एक्टिविटी इंक्लूड करके we can reset our entire hormonal cycle, both for men and women. Lift weights, run, include physical activities. And third is improve your meal balance. Intake of foods which are real foods, which are natural produced foods, and reduce and cut down ultra processed foods.
तो हम ये सारी चीज़ों को करके लगभग कितने टाइम में या कितने दिनों में हम अपनी लाइफस्टाइल को वापस से रूटीन में ला सकते हैं? जो बीमारियां हैं तीनों, इनसे हम छुटकारा पा सकते हैं।
दर्शन जी, ये क्वेश्चन ना मुझे हमेशा पूछा जाता है कि हाउ सून कैन आई सी रिजल्ट्स। तो मेरा एक होता है आंसर कि विद इन अ फ्यू डेज यू विल स्टार्ट फीलिंग बेटर, बट हाउ लॉन्ग विल इट टेक टू बी completely okay will depend on how long have you taken to start resetting your body.
Okay.
At the age of 38 or 39, if a person, after abusing their body for about 20 years, from 18 to 38, is starting to live healthy and in about 4 days is saying that I don't feel any difference, you won't feel any difference.
Okay.
You have to give time. But having said that, our body is very forgiving, and within a matter of a week, you will start feeling better energetically, and within a matter of 3 months, you should see some difference on your blood work as well.
Okay. So top 10 things male should follow to get rid of this male infertility, and top 10 things female or girls should follow to get rid of this PCOS and PCOD.
So the top 10 things for both men and women are pretty much the same. For men, the top 10 things are: 1, start lifting weights.
Okay.
Include physical activity, which is a combination of lifting weights and cardio both. Third is you include a lot of natural foods in your everyday diets. Fourth, remove all ultra processed food. Fifth, completely stop things which are impacting your hormones, like shisha, like using artificial fragrances, vapes. So completely abandon that, completely stop that. Sleep better, fix your sleep cycle. If you are taking any supplements which are interrupting your hormonal cycle, like testosterone boosters, etc., completely stop them. Your body has a natural mechanism, so it will work naturally with that. And include holistic practices of breathing in your everyday routine. Breathing is the most important component. This is something that should be done on an everyday basis. Specifically for men suffering from fertility issues, start wearing clothing which gives breathing room to your organs.
Okay.
You know, all these skinny fit men whom we are seeing is causing a lot of physical disruption. So that is something that needs to change. Pretty much the list same for women, except that they need to be a little more conscious about what they are eating, what they are following. I hear a lot of female clients who say, because I'm on my cycle, I'm getting sugar cravings, and they give in and they eat a lot of sugar, which is something which is not okay. The other thing which women definitely should do is that if they are suffering from painful periods, please use natural remedies to heal that pain and not resort to painkillers, because that is further making the problem difficult.
That's great. सेकेंड इम्पॉर्टेंट इशू सर, मेंटल हेल्थ। आज की तारीख में डिप्रेशन, एंग्जाइटी, पैनिक अटैक ये छोटे छोटे बच्चों को होने लग गया है, हम डिप्रेसिव फील करने लग गए। क्या सिम्टम्स हैं जिससे हमें पता लगे कि यार हम डिप्रेशन की तरफ जा रहे हैं, और कैसे हम इन चीज़ों से बाहर आ सकते हैं?
तो इसमें ना सबसे पहली ज़रूरी बात यह है आइडेंटिफाई करना कि आर यू डिप्रेस्ड और आर यू सैड। दे आर टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. Let's say somebody is not got good marks, or a kid is not invited to a birthday party, or had an argument with a friend and is upset about it, is sad about it, and that sadness is lasting for 2-3 days. That is not depression. That is just sadness. It is a natural human emotion. It will come, it will go. However, if without any rhyme or reason a person is sad, if everything is perfect around them, they are not able to get the mojo in life, they are feeling down and out irrespective of the circumstances around them, then that is depression, and that needs some clinical address. Let's say a person has lost a loved one and is grieving. That is sadness, that is not depression. आज के तारीख में, thanks to a lot of misinformation, a lot of social media, everybody is identifying themselves as depressed or anxious or suffering from mental health. Mental health awareness is a very good thing. However, the downside of mental health awareness is a lot of unnecessary diagnosis, self-diagnosis. Kids who have not completed their homework are afraid that they will go to school and the teacher is going to scold them. And instead of identifying that emotion as fear, they are identifying that emotion as anxiety, which is not true. तो ये differentiate करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Basic parameter is, अगर आपको कोई भी reason के बिना जो low feeling, sad feeling आ रही है, in spite of everything going okay in your life, and you are not able to pull yourself out of it over a prolonged period of time, then I would say you seek a consult with a mental health professional. But do not self-diagnose as a depressed person or a mental health issue or an anxious person.
That's great. So अब हम पॉडकास्ट शूट करने वाले हैं, तो हमें लगा कि ये टॉपिक इतना ज़रूरी है, तो हमने एक वीडियो बनाया. तो आई एम श्योर आपको इससे मदद मिली होगी, और आप भी अपनी लाइफ में, अपनी रूटीन में जो चेंजेस लाएं जिससे आप इन चीज़ों से छुटकारा पा सकते हैं. और अगर ये वीडियो आपको ज़रूरी लगता है और आपको लगता है कि आपके आसपास के लोगों को भी इस वीडियो को देखने की ज़रूरत है, तो उनको प्लीज़ शेयर करें, एंड मेक द रेस्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ बेस्ट.